Hi, I'm Darian Braun. I'm the inventor of Xcellerate35, and I'm here to teach you how to use it properly. This little baby is Stimulate. This is our shampoo. It has a full bottle of Xcellerate35 hair serum in it, so it's going to start working the second you use it. Rinse your hair, take the shampoo, apply it to your hand, rub it together, rub the shampoo throughout your hair. Skim the bubbles from the top to the sides, keep going, rinse twice. Squeaky clean, you got it. Fantastic. Next we go to Rejuvenate, our conditioner. Apply about a 50-cent piece of conditioner, maybe a 25-cent coin, a little diameter, rub together, rub it through your hair, comb through if you want to, if you have longer hair. Wait about 30 seconds, rinse out, and feel it silky smooth. If your texture is silky smooth, you're good to go, you're ready. And here's our baby. This is hair food. When your hair's wet, pull the top, spray on as much as you want. You can't use enough. Keep going. Massage it into your wet hair, comb through root to tip, and start your day. Dry your hair as normal. When you come home at night, pop it out. First 3.5, 4 weeks, keep spraying your hair dry, massage it in, let it go, and you're done. That's it. Anyway, from my family to yours, Xcellerate35, try it for yourself.